I'm also a teacher. What personally I have observed is before and after. Before I have learned NLP and after I have learned NLP, my approach, as you said, my language and understanding. First of all, I have corrected so many things in my personal life. And the same thing I have applied to students, and the feedback that I was collecting, the day I joined teaching, every year I have a habit of collecting feedback. And the recent feedback is thank you for understanding. That is a the frequent feedback I'm getting. And I feel as a teacher, when I talk to my other colleagues also, when they share, I feel, oh, they should change the way they think. Somewhere, they say, no, this boy is like this boy will not write the third internal. I'm sure the mindset that the teachers have, definitely I feel, as a teacher, everybody should get equipped with this wonderful technique of NLP. Not only the personal life, also in their professional life. Especially as a teacher, we all have lot of responsibilities, moral responsibility, not only to teach or make others learn, but also we need to, the next generation, I feel we have to make them. I always tell in the class, wear your thinking cap and sit in your class. That we have to make our children or our students to think. That is what is missing, I feel, in today's generation. Just a small this, when I started my class a week ago, I just shared a small case study. Few of the students raised their hand and they told me, ma'am, we are not from commerce background. I said, this case study is not about commerce background. They have that, we are MBA, I am from a science, or I am from a BCA background. This doesn't work. This case study is not. So, the most of the students have a blocks, or they have their own belief system that this will not work. A preconceived setup that as a teacher, I think we need to change, and we need to bring lot of responsibility with the new education policy. How coding, we never thought a year ago that coding will be a part of the syllabus. Every day I get lot of calls, to enroll my kid for coding. And I'm so fed up. I tell them, no, I don't understand ABCD of coding. And coding, you get lot of marketing people, they've started calling every day. So same way, I think we should make the NLP also, like how coding is going to become the part and parcel of our education system. I think we should all put together a lot of efforts for the students, as well as, the first thing is, we have to start from the root. We have to make the root stronger. So we should start from the management, or the people who are at the hem of affairs, as Vrishabhraj sir and Ram sir told. We should start from the people who are at the top level, and then definitely teachers, we should focus on them, so that the benefit can be reaped. And just waiting, when will India become the superpower? I think this is one technique with which India, the youngsters, we can make our name in the world in a very good way.
My NLP learning is from Professor Clement D'Souza and Ramalingam sir. And now what Dr. Gayatri told is a testimony. Before learning NLP and after learning NLP, the change in her teaching. And this is what Professor Clement, and towards the end of his teaching career, 4 years, he learned NLP, and he told, after that, my teaching was so happy and exercise. I enjoyed my teaching after I learned NLP. Before that, all his energy was spent in controlling the class and dominating the class and overpowering the students and in the delivery process. It was only a teacher delivering and children never remembering, so no question of forgetting. So when the teacher unleashed the potential of the teacher transformed. The teacher realized I am not what I thought about myself. I am something beyond. So the teacher realized the teacher's potential and started realizing there is potential in the student and started encouraging the student, and the transformation happened. So as Vrishabhraj sir told, we have to first make the teachers understand NLP is not a threat for you, it's a tool for you. You get this and your teaching become a pleasant exercise. So taking teachers into confidence, taking them into the team, we can implement NLP, and definitely NLP introduction to the campus will transform the campuses, and without any kind of forceful effort, we can achieve tremendous things.